Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Taylor Swift's outfit from her newest album, The Life of a Showgirl, coming on October 3rd. I'm super excited for the album. I'm always excited for Taylor Swift. I am a Swiftie after all. So let's get started with the video. I did use VIP items because I did need those like jewels and stuff, but I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I made adjustments on, which is the hair and some of the jewelry. So I'm just going to remove the ones I did not make adjustments on here. Hopefully I remember everything, because sometimes I forget. Okay, there. Alright, so these I did use adjustments on, so I'm not going to remove that. For the hair, I used this hair in bangs only in this color. Then I used this hair in the front toggle with no flowers in the same color, positioned the Y to 0.49, Z to 0.58, rotated the X to 0.51, and scaled it to 0.27. Then I used this updo. Then I used this necklace in, I think I just used this color. You can use any silver color you want. First toggle, position the Y to 0.33, Z 0.46, rotate the X to 0.48, and scale it to 0.85. It's this one here. Then I used this pearl necklace as well in that same color. I think I did all glitter too for like the material, so it's super shiny and sparkly. And then I also used this necklace here in that same color in glitter as well. And then I also used this from Codes in the same color. And I also used the bikini here as well in like a lighter color, FFC 5AC for both. And then for the bikini bottom, I just used the same as the jewelry. Then I also used the skirt. I know she doesn't use it, but I just wanted to use this one here in that same color as well for everything. I might make the chain a little bit darker. I might make that, yeah, so you can kind of see it a little bit. Okay, and then I also used this top here in the only chains toggle in that same color, and also adding glitter to that. I also use these stockings in that same color. Go to VIP and grab these shoes in that same color in glitter. Just adding that to everything. Then I also used this obviously in only chains and all glitter as well. Then I used this headpiece in that same color. Where is it? Hold on. In DD, D8CD, and then 7A7771, and then the same here. Position the Y to 0.52, Z 0.37, rotate the X to 0.54, and scale to 0.39. Then I also used these earrings in that same color in glitter. Also here I made it glitter as well. Then I am going to get this in white, and then actually I think I made it, no, I think I'll just do white here and this color in glitter. Did I forget anything else? I think that's it. Oh, I also used this too. And I can't adjust it, but it does add more to it. Just add glitter to everything, you know? Why not? And I think that is pretty much what I use. Oh, you can also add the pirate's necklace, maybe, to add more, to add even more. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!